Hey guys, it's Mr. Sad, and welcome to Art Mood, your home for all things art in the classroom online. Today will be a quick video to show our friends how to finish their sketchbooks that we started last week. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, I've seen some really cool paintings and I'm really impressed with some of the work that you guys have done. So, to start out, you will need your cover from last week. A big thanks to Miss Turner for letting me use her sketchbook here. She did a pretty good job. You will also need 5 strips of paper that are long or 10 pieces of copy paper cut in half, some duct tape, like this pretty teal kind, and a stapler. You're going to start by opening your cover and lining up your paper towards the center. If you use slips of paper, then try to line them up like mine. Next, we will take our stapler and staple 2 spots. 2 spots will be enough to hold all the papers together. So just make sure that they're lined up and stapled together. Lastly, we'll get a piece of duct tape to go around the spine. You can use scissors if you want to trim it. And that's it. You've made your sketchbook, and your sketchbook needs to go into your portfolio, and we will use it daily. Now, what will we draw in our sketchbook will be determined by me every day. I will give you a drawing challenge at the beginning of my video and at the beginning of class. It'll help you get started. Think of it as a art warm-up. So, let's take out our new sketchbooks. Turn to the first page for our first challenge. And here it is. Are you ready? I want you to take a few minutes to draw a picture using only one line. That's right, you heard me correctly. I want to see if you can draw a picture only using one line. Now, can this even be done? I can't wait to see. I just want to see what you guys come up with. So the first thing I need you to do is make a plan and decide how you want to tackle this. Here's a little hint for those of you who think it might be a little hard. If you never lift your pencil up while drawing, isn't it still just one line? Anyways guys, good luck with that challenge. I hope you do well on it. I want you guys to join me next week as we look at lines and why they are so important to art. But that's it for today, so be blessed, and remember, you're only one idea away from being in an art mood. See you later.